Okay, it's kind of early. It's about 6:15 or so, Sunday morning, getting ready to head out. Having a little cup of coffee. Hey, it's a good hair day too, apparently. Um, hey, we had a good ride in. Excellent riding yesterday. Saturday, Supreme was the word we used for the weather and the company, so we had a great time. Weather was a little iffy on Friday, but we managed to get a great ride in. I think we had a total of 13 riders come out on those rides. So great time had by all. Thank everybody for coming. And this is High Country Motorcycle Camp. So again, Maggie and Brent being the owners, they've treated us really well. We had a great fire last night. Hung out with some BMW guys over at the pavilion down there. All in all, super time at the 2016 Tiger Ride-In, and we're looking forward to next year's event. Stay tuned. We're going to try to figure out a date and a place, so we'll get back to you. Alright, thanks for tuning in.